Okay, let's get started on our roasted potatoes. I have 1.5 pounds here. I went ahead and washed them, dried them off. I'm using these little potatoes. They are red and yellow. These yellow ones are smaller, so I'm just going to cut these in half. These red ones that are bigger, I'm going to quarter. Get them all about the same size. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up and I'll be right back. Okay, I have the potatoes cut. I placed them in a large bowl. I'm going to go ahead and add some oil to these. I'm going to put a good tablespoon, if not more. I'm using grapeseed oil. You can use olive oil or whatever oil you desire. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to start off about a tablespoon and give this a stir and see if we need to add more or not. I think we are good with that. I have a teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and about a half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to go ahead and add that in. I have 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm not sure I'm going to add that all. I don't think I will. So that was about 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm going to add some dried rosemary. It's about 1/2 teaspoon. Go ahead and stir this up. I am going to go ahead and add a little bit more oil. That was about 1 teaspoon. Okay, these are ready to go into the air fryer. Man, that smells good. All right, I have this set on 400 degrees for 12 minutes. Halfway through, we are gonna take it out and give it a nice stir. Okay, we are halfway through. We're gonna go ahead and give these a good stir. Okay, we're just going to put these back in and let them go for 6 more minutes. Our time is up. I checked these out. They are done basically. They're fork tender. I want them just to be a little bit more crispy, so I'm going to go 3 minutes longer. I knew I should have gone 15 minutes to start off with. So we're going to do 3 more minutes. So that will give us a total of 15 minutes. All right, I got these plated up. Again, it was a total of 15 minutes. They were done at 12, but I wanted them a little bit more crispy. I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. Okay. That is good. Seasonings are perfect. A little crispiness on the outside, and it's so creamy in the inside. Okay, I hope you give this a try. It is definitely worth making. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.